guys, ayun, huminto na ako. Pero sa totoo lang guys, nakabuo naman ako ng kanta dahil sa sinarado ko ang cortina dito. Yes, kasi guys, if this curtains is open sesame open, I cannot sing good. Why? They always insert words to my ears. Yeah. Nag-i-enjoy ang mga demonyo to ruin my singing. Yeah. How nice, right? Singing career. Yeah. And it says, I know how to sing. Yes. I know how to make to write a songs. Yes. I know how to make hairstyle. Yes. I know how to make clothes. Yes, because normally I made lots of clothes already. I know how to make curtains. Yes, proud because remember that not only that this one is the old kind of curtains. Yes, and I made that. Yeah, this. The material it came from blanket. Yeah. And this tablecloths, yes, this one, yes, and yeah, Jeanines curtains, yes, some of my curtains, yes, and you know what, guys, why my rooms is there's extra curtains because there's a spotlight every night and people can see me, and then they see that I use dirty fingers inside the house. Inside the house only, guys. Anis is yes, here inside the house. Why? Because they always making noise. They always interrupted me. Yeah, they always interrupt me. Interrupted is always there. Yeah. And this window, maybe it's very, common to you this side. Yeah. If I say something, yeah, if I stay here, there's a lovely, camera there that I don't know where is it. If there's a small camera in my ears, of course, they have a possibility to hide a camera. But you know what, in the beginning is I'm crazy to look after the camera, where they put or install that. And there's a light here that I don't know how to install. Well, I know, yeah. This lovely, yes, I don't know if there's a camera. I don't know. Sa totoo lang guys, napaka-strange ng ginagawa nila. Yeah, strange, yeah. Yeah. Kung sa kanila pa ay, yeah, Merkley Dema daw ako. I'm strange woman daw. Strange woman daw ng mga ulol, yeah. Pero sa totoo lang, ang mission ng mga ulol ay how to embarrass me. Alam mo, yung mga high-tech camera na narinig ko na yan. Narinig ko na sa isa kong kaibigan na nakilala, yeah. Buti pa yun, honest. Mayroon naman siya, nagbabait-baitan, akala mo'y hindi makabasag, santo sa church, pero demonyeta, yeah. Why? She know what's happening in my life, but she's still, hiding, yeah. By the way, puking ulol mo nga palang baboy ka, yeah. Sa totoo lang, ginawa ka na rin namang baliw dito sa Denmark. At kung ano man ang reason, I don't know. At wala akong pakialam. Ayun lang guys, huwag kang magtaka kung bakit paulit-ulit ako sa kanta. May mga kanta ako na ginawa ko na lang vlog ang ending. Bakit? Dahil nasira na guys, nasira na. At wala na akong planong i-erase pa. Yeah. Ang guys, alam mo sa totoo lang, ang gusto ko talagang hanapin ay kung paano nila sasabihin sa publiko lahat ng mga nangyari mula 2002 kung bakit ako nakarating dito, lahat ng mga CCTV kung paano nila ako binuli-buli. Yeah. Gusto ko yun guys, ipakita nila lahat. Yun yung lahat na yun. Gusto ko ipakita nila. Yeah. Kasi wala namang escape yun guys. 24 hours a day. Mayroon akong gwardyang camera. Yeah. At abot buong Denmark, lalo na sa Copenhagen Station. Yeah. International. Yeah. Kapag nag-aaway kami ni Don Poldo, yun guys, ang bantugan natulog na. Pagkatapos niyang kumuda-kuda para pistinghin, yawa ako. Yeah, natutulog ang bantugan niya. At kapag ako'y nag-music, mamaya uubo siya sa harap kong animal siya. Ayun, ganun nga siya guys, ganun siya. Alam mo guys, yung ano na yun, pambubuli nilang sobra-sobra sa BOC school. BOC schoolen, ohos, yeah. Yamang layel pa no pudans. Yeah. BUC schoolen. Schoolen, it's the same. Yeah. Epal, Pilipina, and Grino. Gusto mo magpaka-popular, di ba? Okay, magsasalita ako ng Tagalog. I-Danish English mo. Yeah, in one time. Yeah, total naman epal ka naman, di ba? Tapos yun guys, yung pambubuli nila sa akin, ayun ang biggest issue sa akin. At kung paano ipakita ang aking private na katawan. Naliligo ako sa ilog nung ako'y high school. Naka-t-shirt at short ako. May nakaganon pa yan na towel. Yeah. Ayaw na ayaw ko na may nabubuntot-buntot sa akin. Yes, ayaw na ayaw ko. Babamingin kita ng bato. In short, ayaw ko ng sinisilipan. Ang mga tao sa country ito, they don't know how to respect Pilipina. At kung mayroon man unrespectful Pilipina, hindi ko nakasalanan yun. Hindi ko kasalanan kung nagpapakaputa sila. Yeah. But I'll never dream to be a puta, prostitute, hooker. Yeah. I don't care if that job is yours. Yeah. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to continue my life in Philippines good future someday. Yeah. Pwede ba, Denmark? Lumayo-layo nga kayo sa akin. Kasi kapag dinidikit nyo tong dugyot na to na parang nakumatok sa ang utak, kung sa bagay na cancer siya, di ba? Stage 3, yeah. You remove bone narrow already, not arrow. Bone narrow. Alam mo yung itsura niyan dati? Ano na siya? Mukhang kaawa-awa. May opera dito. Yes. Kasi nilagyan nyo ng hose para makakain. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga experiment that you did to him. And plus cancer na hiwa dito sa kilikili niya. Yes. Tapos, ayun nga, muntik na siyang mamatay kung hindi dahil sa akin. Yeah. Na-stuck ako sa lalaking yan dahil sa awa. Yeah. Awa, not love. Awa na Denmark. Awa. Mula nung binaboy nyo ang pagkatao ko, gusto ko nang lumarga sa puking inang country mayroon kayo. Naiintindihan nyo na ba ngayon? Pilipina, gusto kong ipaulit-ulit bawat details para maintindihan nyo ang mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa buhay ko. Every time na pinagtatawanan nyo ako sa Pilipinas, nung kasagsagan ng pambubuli ng mga animal, first time in my life, yeah, that they are laughing to me. But honest is, I care my name not to involve to scandal. Pero dahil sa puking ina na gusto nyo popular ng mga virginity nyo, na kapag ang 18 years old sa country nyo ay virgin pa, it's a biggest issue. You need to find a man for sex. Denmark, you cannot force teenager to make sex, yeah. Making love to someone is in the right time and right place. Don't force the person to have a contact or sex to someone else because that's what you want. Pwede ba, Denmark? Yung pagiging baboy nyo sa sex, ilagay nyo sa lugar. Honest is yung mga bata. Yung mga bata dito, 7 years old pa lang, nakaano na sa porno site. Yeah. Expert na sila sa porno site. Yeah. Nanunood na sila ng ungol ng sex na matatanda. Alam mo sa totoo lang, Denmark, yung kababuyan nyo kasi ay ina-apply nyo sa ibang lahi, sa ibang nationality. Yeah. You didn't know that Filipino is very conservative. Maliban na lang sa ulol na gustong mang-trip na lang. Yeah. Yung binubuli nyo ako sa Pilipinas, kahit sa Antique or Santa Cruz, binubuli-buli nyo ako. Sa totoo lang, mga abnormal kasi kayo. Yeah. Abnormal at manol-manol lang ang taong nang bubuli. Yeah. Nang bubuli ka dahil trip mo lang animal ka na gawin akong siraulo at puta. Kaya ito lang ang tumataginting na sasabihin ko sa inyo. putang ina nyo lahat. Yeah. Tang ulol nyo lahat. At sa mga sinasabi nyo na si ganito, si ganyan, nagngingit-ngit ang utak dahil nabulala sa inyong mga sikreto sa pagiging, aswang ni ganito, aswang ni ganyan. Pakialam ko sa drama nyo. Wag na wag nyo akong lalapitan para buisit-buisitin. Hintayin nyo na dumating si Sir Rapi Tulfo at ang gobyerno sa Denmark na mag-usap-usap. Doon tayo magharap-harapan. At wala akong pakialam kung lahat kayo kumampi sa Denmark dahil sa milyard na promise sa inyo. Sana hindi kayo hilahin para gawing puta sa countryng ito. Dahil una, not big deal sa kanila ang skandal. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo ng iskandalo sa buhay nyo, tinggil nyo ang pag-usapan nyo sa gabi kung paano nyo ipaiyot. Yeah. Ako'y gigil na sa inyo, yeah. Honest is, I don't want to talk like this in front of my YouTube channels, yes. I don't want to upload my video like this. Pero kung gusto mo ng iyot at gusto mo ng pera galing sa iyot, make way. Use your own body. Use your own body to show here in Europe. Or if you want international, because you want to earn big money, I don't care. Hindi nyo pwedeng babuyin ang pagkatao ko at babuyin ang pagkatao ng anak ko. Naiintindihan nyo na? Ayun lang. Sa totoo lang, gabi-gabi, I cannot sleep because of this noise to my ears. Yeah. Pumunta ako doon sa clinic to remove this. Pero wala pa rin tumulong. Bago sa yun, dinagdagan ng ingay. Binagdagan ng ingay ang tenga ko gabi-gabi. Ngayon, gusto nyo bang makatulog ng maayos, Denmark? Honest Denmark, I want to sleep well if I go back to Philippines, yeah. But I need a legal fight. Like what you said, you want a legal fight, right? I want reality fight, yeah, Denmark. I want international, what's us, yeah. And we need to speak English, Denmark. Speak English, yeah. I don't care if it's not good, but you need to speak English. You've been in Europe, I've been in Asia. We need to speak English, yeah. That's it, Denmark. That's my wish. And I hope that you can respect. I want that I move in Denmark without making trouble. But see you on court, yeah. See you in court. See you on, yeah. How nice. Ang galing-galing naman talaga ng aking translator. By the way, my dear translator, tang ulol mo nga pala, pack your brain, yeah. Pack your brain, yeah. Shouting to my ears, insert a wrong grammar. Fuck your brain, yeah. Yes, pack your brain, yeah. Kung sino ka mang hinayop ka, pack your brain, yeah. I said that now, yeah. Denmark, you know what? First time that, yeah. This year only, Denmark, that, my boys shouting, say bad words about Denmark. Why? Because it's too much. It's very too much. And I cannot control my mouth anymore. This time, Denmark, please tell the truth. All the details of video that you show, how we fight together with Mons, how we are inside the house. If you can have, evidence that we fight, for sure you have evidence to how we talk and how I treat him good. Yeah. By the way, if I treat bad, I will admit that. Yes. I will say, yes, I did. Yeah. If I didn't mean it, well, Denmark, you need to explain. Need to explain. Denmark, my brain is okay, okay? I wish that I will go back to Philippines, that I have a good conditions of brain. Yeah. Denmark, I'll never live in Philippines with craziness brain. Yang nyo, hindi ko alam kung pinada-drugs nyo yan eh. He look like drug addict. He cannot understand the simple words explanation. And then if we fight, because he cannot heard or he cannot understand, he is good actor, yeah. He is a good actor how we fight, yeah. He is like that. And if we fight Denmark, oh, Yeah, Denmark's station is good. Yeah, it's calm. It's calm very, very fast. And you know, it's forward to anybody. Yeah, they share each other very, very fast. Yeah. But you know what? Bantugan is sleeping now after what we done fighting. Yeah. We fighting, shouting each other because I said that, Mons, I have an appointment to Iba. Yes. And I said to him that I have an appointment to Iba, that Janine is come here before my flight and say bye to me. Yeah. She want to say goodbye to her mom for a while, and we will see you soon, anak. Yes. For a while only. And you know what he said? He cannot understand me. Okay, I try to explain again. I think 4 times. And then when I explain 4 times, he cannot understand. Yeah. Until that, you know, I'm shouting. Why? Because he is idiot deaf. Yeah. Idiot deaf that he don't care what I'm saying. Yeah. He is mongoloid. Yeah. Honest is, it's not easy to explain to the person that he didn't open his ears because his job is how to destroy me and show outside that we are fighting. Yeah. And then he need to pretend that, yeah, in the beginning we are like this. Shut up, Mons. I know your job. Job is how to destroy me. And you win in how many years? This time, stop. 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 And you know what he said, guys? He cannot manage to pay tax. Wow. I allowed him to use the house. Yes. The half of house is belong to me. But I want to transfer to Janine, but she's still, under 18 years old, so tax is free. Yeah. So he don't need to pay tax. He can stay here until he died. Yeah. And then the other house is for sale. I didn't get money from him. No. But you know what, guys? Oh my God. The simple explanation he cannot understand. He want to fight to me. Yeah. He want to fight. Yeah. A simple explanation he cannot manage to understand. Yeah. And then they are thinking that, oh, Rogelia, you know what, Rogelia? You're not nice to your husband. Honest is, I don't have any responsibility to him anymore. No. Because we divorced in Denmark 2022. Yeah. We're done. Yes. Kung ano mang buwan, wala ka nang pakialam niya. It's none of your business. Alam mo kung hindi ko maintindihan, guys? They love fighting niya. They love that people, divorced people fighting together. Yeah. And then they are proud, shouting to everyone that, you know what, these couples, it's still couples, correction, it's still couples to Denmark, yeah. They are always like this. Yeah, they are always fighting. They have a problems they cannot solve. Oh yes, Denmark. We cannot solve the problems because you know you have a liar, user, idiot person following and destroying me. Yeah, wherever I go. Honestly, it's embarrassing. Together with him, yeah. My daughter and I ate in the restaurant. He always making a shit. Yeah. To embarrass us, yeah. Hi, Denmark. I don't know, but you know, if the couples didn't feel love anymore, give them chance to divorce, yeah. If it's divorce is divorce, yeah. And besides, you cannot force yourself to be together with Mons, right? Because look how boring he is, yeah. How boring he is, Denmark. Divorce is divorce, Denmark. Divorce is divorce, yeah. Never be together again. Divorce is divorce, yeah. And respect the divorce, yeah. And is early, in young age, Denmark, I want to move away. Janine is 2 years old that time that we sold the house in Aarhus. Felsdalsgade 53, Annensal. Annensal is second floor, yeah. Do you remember that, Denmark? Yes. Nice place, but There's a lot of bombing in my brain. Embarrass here, embarrass there, embarrass all the time. Yeah. I try to move to Ashoybay. We rent the house in the basement. Yeah. Honestly, it's very, very cold. Yeah. And then heater is, you know, it's like a small tubes of tree. Yeah. We need to burn that. Yeah. And then later, yes, Denmark. Later, listen, okay? Later, Denmark. I'm decide to find a house, and we find the house. It costs less of 500,000, less of 500,000 crowns. We live there at, I think, for 4 years. Yeah, we need to live there 4 years. You'll never stop ruin my life. Yes, more embarrassing and Filipino watching me for fun. Puking pakyu nyo nga pala. Yes, I will say this now in my YouTube channels. Pack that packing shit job. Honestly, I'm not happy how you ruin and embarrass my life. If you give me chance to go home early, for sure, we have a best life now. Honest, Denmark is, you'll never stop. I try to move. Carry heavy things, yeah. Carry heavy things, Denmark. And then when we are there, they didn't give me a chance to have a job in school. They need the hiring, yes, the hiring cleaning assistant. But they didn't give me a chance to have that job. Why? Because they don't like to give me a job. Okay, fine. I do something. I need to go back to school in DOC here in Grino. Yes. To have a allowance from school. Yes. That money, I help Mons, I help Janine, and some of that I gave to my parents. Yes. But you know what, guys? They remove supermarket. They said that school is, they want to remove though. And then I'm thinking, what I need to do to this place? Yes. Honestly, is they want to remove bus too. So what do you want me to do there without a driver license? Because they didn't allow me to have a driver license. I've been in school. They make me stress. And then you know what, guys? Yeah. Until now, school is still there. Yeah, they changed Sorinkan. Yeah, Sorinkan's schooling. It's not Tubo schooling anymore. But you know, school is still there. Yeah. I cannot understand why they always remove and they always make me panic that, you know, how can I bring my daughter in school? Yes. How can I buy food if Mons is there in a hospital? How can honestly, I experienced that in the beginning that, you know, yeah, we feel freezing, dying cold in winter time. There's a snow, and then my daughter is feel freezing. You know what she said, Mom? I feel very, very cold. I feel freezing. Yeah. First time, one of the Danish helped me to drive in Tubo schooling in Lingbu. Second time, guys, yun na, yung sinabi ng anak ko. Yeah. We walk. We survive, but yes. I feel very, very sad that my daughter feel very, very freezing. That time, Mons is in the hospital, in the mental hospital. They bring Mons in mental hospital. Mons family, they have a problems. His father have a mental health, yes, and he got a cancer, yeah. Her mom have a breast cancer. She been remove her breast. Yes. Her eldest sister died because of cancerous. Yes. It's a breast cancer too. Yeah. And you know, lucky that her mom is survived for breast cancer. Elsa, she don't have cancer. Yes. But Mons have, he is a second child. He have a cancer. Yeah. And then I'm thinking, oh my God, yeah. When I decide to have a child, I'm thinking, I hope that Janine never get cancer. Pero alam mo guys, kung paano kami tratuhin, how they treat me and Jeanine. That's the biggest questions to me in the beginning. Yeah. Why they treat us like this? Yeah. I treat them good. I'm nice to them, but they are nice to kick our life away, going to dying stress. Yeah. One time her mom celebrate birthday. Yes. They invite Elsa and her new live-in partner because she been divorced. Yes. Mons and me and Birgit and her husband. Yeah. Birgit is she's dead already. Yeah. Died for cancer. You know what she said? She get the drinks. He get the drinks. Elsa, who is that? Jens, Birgit's husband, and do like this. Cheers to three idiots. Yeah, and this is, I feel very, very sad that they attack me, even my small daughter in young age. I think she is 1 year old that time. They attack and call idiot too. Yeah. You know what I did? I go out and I said to her mom, I call her Mua. Mua is a mom. Mua, yabil ka naguyin. Yabil ikibera here. Happy birthday. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't want to stay here. I feel that time that I'm not welcome. I know that I'm not welcome. Yes. And they make me more irritating. More irritating. Hanggang sa lumaki ang issue, guys. Lumaki ang issue. It's going bigger and bigger. Yeah. They invite me to the party, they ruin my day. It's always like that. And this, guys, is to join to their party is awkward for me. In the beginning, Jeanine don't like to go with Elsa's family, especially to her mom. House is very messy, and I don't want to eat dirts. Yeah. But you know what? I'm still nice to her. I offer to clean kitchen or house. Yeah, I help. Yeah, I try to help. You know what she said every time that can you come here and help us? Yes, I'm willing to help. But naiinis ako, guys, kung paano nila ako tratuhin. Kung paano nila ako tratuhin ng kagaguhan. Yeah. Ako'y buisit na. Yeah. Tapos, ano bang year yun? Parang bagong divorce lang kami that time. Or, hindi pa kami na-divorce. Pero, love is gone na talaga. Nung binuli-buli nila ako, guys, doon na, yeah. Gusto ko na mag-iskapo. Gusto ko na mag-flight going back to Philippines. Yeah. Pero dahil hinihila, sumusunod yung ungo. Yeah, Simon, sa vacation namin. Ang vacation namin magnanay ay tama lang na to be a nanny of a special abnormal. Yeah. Special abnormal that I need to treat him good. Yeah. Pero sa totoo lang, guys, ako'y pagod na sa kaabnuan nila. Yeah. Papupuntahin ako vacation doon, stress na stress ako kakaalaga kay Mons. Ibabalik ulit kami ng Denmark ng anak ko. The same pa rin ang situation ng buhay ko hanggang sa lumaki ang anak ko, hanggang sa naging 13 years old. Pero maraming nangyari sa buhay ko, guys, na gusto ko sila ay magpaliwanag. Yeah. In legal way, kailangan nilang magpaliwanag. Yeah. Ako'y pagod na sa kanila, guys. Ayokong makipaghabulan sa kademonyuhan nila. At ako'y buisit na sa kanila. Ayun, guys, kesyo daw easy kasi ang pera. Alam mo, guys, mga tamad kasi yan. Gusto nila, sila ang boss, ikaw gagawin ka nilang tanga. Yeah. Gusto nila, nag-earn sila ng pera, humihilata sa gabi, kumakain ng masasarap, pumupunta sa restaurant para lumamon, nagta-travel kung saan-saan, nag-i-enjoy kakatingin ng bank account nila. Tapos ako na gusto ko magtrabaho kahit cleaning assistant. Dadamutan nila mula nung dinivorce ko si Mons. Dahil gusto nila ay mamatay ako sa gutom. Yun yung pinaka-worst, guys. Pero sa totoo lang, mula sa linggo, hindi na nila ako tinantanan. Hindi na nila ako tinantanan. Sa totoo lang, nakakasakit ng ulo. Kapag nandito ka sa countering ito, masisiraan ka ng ulo. Bakit? Dahil ang kaharap mo araw-araw ay mga siraulo. May mga tuliling sa utak. Yeah. Ganon sila, guys. Kaya pinag-aano ko na lang na yun, yung anak ko maging okay yun. At ako'y mamumuhay ng maayos kapag wala na tong tululot-tululot sa tenga ko na ingay. Yeah. Kasi ayoko na matutulog ako. Yeah. Lalo na nung may mga power ang mga demonyo. Ano ka ba? Binabaril nila ang utak ko. Yeah. Binabaril nila. At yung mga karayom, nagliliparan sa mata ko. Yeah. Ramdam ko yun, guys, kung paano matusok ng karayom ang mata ko dahil sa mga mangkukulam na hinayop. Ayun. Nag-i-enjoy ang mga hinayop. Yeah. It's more fun to have a black ebook. Yeah. Black ebook magic. Yeah. It's for fun to them how to kill Rogelia behind her back. Nagkasakit ng tiyahin ko. Ay, Diyos ko. Nag-i-enjoy na naman sila. Bakit? Wala na daw akong hihingian ng tulong. Wala na. Nung hindi na ako nagdi-text kay Victor, nag-i-enjoy na naman sila. Nung nagkikita kami ni Victor, pumupunta rito, gumagawa din sila ng isyo. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mga siraulo nga ang tao dito. Si Victor ay isang Chinese, I think he came from China, yeah. Yung parents niya ay parang basta mga two nationality, yeah. Ay, sa totoo lang mabait ang tao, pero alam mo, tinutulak nila ako doon. Bakit? Kasi si Victor ay parang handicap yung paa, yung parang nagka-polio, yung alam mo yun na hindi siya pantay maglakad yun. Ini-involve nila ang pangalan ko na mayroon kaming relasyon ni Victor. Pero sa totoo lang, yung mga Pilipina dito, mga abnormal. Yeah, mga abnormal. Kaya hindi ako nakikipagkiibigan sa mga Pilipina dito dahil mga ipokritang abnormal. Yeah. Mga mayayabang na, ipokrita pa, abno pa. Yeah. Ayun, kapag may naliligaw sa'yong gwapo, tatanggalin sa'yo. Kapag dugyot ang itsura, bagay kami. Gago, di ba? Sa totoo lang, gusto ko silang ipalapa at ipa-rape sa mga sa mga amoy lupa, amoy itlog, madali nang mamatay, yon. Ayun, bagay sila doon. Yun guys. At nag-aal sa ulol sila kakasigaw sa akin araw-araw. Ayun yun guys, magkita na lang tayo ha. Magkita-kita tayo sa Pandan kasi hinihintay ko ang tamang law. Yeah. Right law. I need law. Yeah. Gusto kong makamtan ang law. At kung sa tingin nyo ay karapat-dapat akong bitayin dahil may napatay ako sa Denmark. Di said, namatay na daw si ganito, pinatay ko daw sa pamamagitan ng kulam. Yeah. Namatay na daw si Mila, si Gina, si Raya, si Herlyn, si Myla, si Lalaine, sino pa ba? Si Lynn Domingo, yeah. Namatay na daw sa kulam, guys. At gusto kong ipa-check, guys, kung talagang pinatay ko sila sa kulam. Gusto kong malaman kung patay na sila dito sa Denmark. Ayun lang, guys, ang gusto kong malaman, katotohanan. Kasi ayoko nang forcing me that, you know what, Rogelia, you kill this, you kill this. At namatay na daw si Luz Bijoy, namatay na daw si Labong, namatay na daw ang Ausan family dahil nakulam ko. Yun. At yun guys, ang gusto kong malaman, katotohanan. Marami daw namatay na mga tao, si Mayet namatay na daw ang tatay niya, nagkandabaho na daw doon sa bahay niya dahil hindi na lumalabas. Ayun guys, ang gusto kong malaman. Sino ang namatay at sino yung sumisigaw sa tenga ko, ayun. Gusto kong malaman ang katotohanan dahil hindi ako siraulo guys eh. Pero dahil sa nagdadrama sila sa tenga ko, gusto ko ng lightest sa kanila. Yeah. Lightest to solve this lie problems. Yeah. This is it. That's what I want. Puro kayo patay, patay, patay. Pinatay ni Rogelia si ganito, namatay. Nagkandawala lahat ng mga tao. Si Gary namatay, si Daisy namatay, si Munito namatay, si Myra namatay. Yeah, very good. Very good how to make me crazy in Denmark using this very high-tech small camera. Yeah. Yung isa lumipad na doon sa Aura Clinic. Yeah. Kasama ng mga ng mga tutuli. Yeah. Tutuli at saka baluga ng ibang Danish. Yeah. Alam mo sa totoo lang nakakadiri. Yeah. Nakakadiri. Yeah. Ayun lang guys. Bye.